Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you've been following my channel videos, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, you can make millions from the comfort of your home by this secret I want to expose to you. Yeah, this is a top secret where during my experience in affiliate marketing, I have experienced some difficulties in getting the result I want, which is the sales I want on my affiliate platform. And we both know that affiliate marketing is just marketing a particular product for a company and getting commission for every product to sell, which means you are getting a percentage from every product to sell. If you maybe, for instance, if you market a product for $100, you may have 20% of the sale. So that is how affiliate marketing works. And I want to show you how you can become a successful affiliate marketer, which means how you can get millions and big money from affiliate marketing and get excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and I started earning big on his ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, I have a software which I've developed personally. I'm also a software developer apart from being an affiliate marketer. So I developed this software. This software works by gathering leads online from digital platforms and promoting your affiliate page or affiliate link to this leads, organic traffic online for you to get sales. And my traffic software is very efficient because my traffic, they are real traffic and organic traffic who are going to buy your product. And inside my video course, which you come with my software, if you are getting my software, my video course contains some information which will guide you to become a successful affiliate marketer on some particular locations and some particular products, and also other things that you need to know as a affiliate marketer. Yes, because there are some locations that are not for some products. There's a way by which you can target your product to a particular location with my software. Yeah, my software entails different features. Also, one of the good things about my software is that you can use my software to get traffic on any affiliate marketing platform. It's not only limited to ClickBank alone. You can use on JVZoo and the likes. So get my software today and join the clique of the smart ones that can make it edge in affiliate marketing and earn millions from your comfort of your home. So to get my software and video course and join the clique of the smart ones as I'm making edge in affiliate marketing, contact me today on my Gmail at skyward071@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward071@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and join the clique of the smart ones that can make it edge in affiliate marketing. Because if you did not learn, you won't earn. So learn today on the new method and the new strategy of making millions from the comfort of your home. Yes, because it's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work and the chances you take. Yeah, some people have been telling me that if I'm making millions, why am I still selling software? The reason why I'm selling software is because I want to create a big platform for affiliate marketers around the world. It's time you will see the next move I'm going to do. But for now, I'm still gathering students. I have thousands of students already. I have students already online that I'm training, but I still want more because I have a plan for affiliate marketers around the world. I'm still working on other tools and other things that will make digital marketing an easy place for everyone. So get my software today at skyward071@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start earning big from the comfort of your home. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online.